Good morning, it's Stephen here from DJS Waterscapes and Landscaping, just on a pond maintenance job in Stafford. Obviously big clean out on this one, lots of reeds, lots of irises. It's a little bit of a mess at the moment, but hopefully by the end of the day it'll look a lot cleaner. I'm just going to give you a little bit of a look now of what it looks like, and then obviously we'll give you some time-lapse videos just so you can see exactly what we've been doing. This is the pond now. A little bit of a mess, obviously it hasn't been touched in quite some time, but hopefully by the end of the day it'll be looking a lot better. Hello there, it's Stephen here from DJS Waterscapes and Landscaping Limited. I'm just going to give you a little bit of an update on the pond clearance that we did today. It was very bad, if I'm honest. There was bread crates, rocks, stones, breeze block, bricks, you name it. It was pretty much in here, but yeah, it's been 8 hours worth of graft and we've pretty much got it done now, just started to top it back up with normal tap water. This will be just a general normal pond with no filtration, so the customers wasn't too interested in us using the dechlorinator to take all the chlorine out of the water. But yeah, give you a little bit of a spin round and obviously you can see what we've accomplished today. As you can see, it looks a hell of a lot more cleaner. You can actually see the pond now, which is absolutely amazing. And yeah, we're getting there, we're done. We're just going to go and get the client now just to make sure they're really happy, and yeah, see you on the next one.